The ATM gene and breast cancer, is it really a risk factor? Ataxia telangiectasia mutated gene. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Mahatma Gandhi. The genetic determinants for most breast cancer cases remain elusive. While mutations in BRCA1 and BRCA2 significantly contribute to familial breast cancer risk, their contribution to sporadic breast cancer is slow. In most cases, genes frequently altered in the general population, such as the gene mutated in ataxia telangiectasia, ATM may be and ATM may be an important risk factors. The ataxia telangiectasia mutated gene encodes a protein kinase that plays a major role in activating cellular responses to DNA double-strand breaks through downstream phosphorylation of central players in the DNA damage response pathways, including BRCA1, p53, and CHK2. The initial interest in studying ATM heterozygosity in breast cancer arose from the findings of epidemiological studies of 80 families in which 80 heterozygote women had an increased risk of breast cancer and estimations that 1% of the population are 80 heterozygotes. One of the clinical features of 80 patients is extreme cellular sensitivity to ionizing radiation. This observation, together with the finding that a significant proportion of breast cancer patients show an exaggerated acute or late normal tissue reaction after radiotherapy, has led to the suggestion that 80 heterozygosity plays a role in radiosensitivity and breast cancer development. Pathogenic ATM variants are found in 1% to 2% of the population, doubling to tripling the risk of breast cancer in carriers. Given the lifetime risk of breast cancers in those individuals is likely greater than 25%, women who are heterozygous for a pathogenic ATM mutation should start annual mammographic screening at least by 40 years of age. Earlier onset of screening with both mammography and MRI should be considered if indicated based on family history. Although substantial progress has been made in our understanding of the role of ATM in breast cancer susceptibility, there are several questions that need further investigations, such as the identification of factors that determine breast cancer occurrence in ATM mutation carriers, risk of other cancers, whether ATM heterozygotes are more sensitive to radiation, and the clinical utility implementation of ATM mutation testing. After nearly 20 years of uncertainty, recent epidemiological and molecular studies have clarified the role of ATM in breast cancer and have shown that mutation that cause ataxia telangiectasia in biallelic carriers, homozygotes, confer susceptibility to breast cancer in monoallelic carriers, heterozygotes. ATM is the fifth DNA repair gene, together with BRCA1, BRCA2, TP53, and CHEK2, shown to be involved in breast cancer predisposition. Where BRCA1, BRCA2, and TP53 are associated with high risk of breast cancer, ATMs and CHEK2 are associated with more moderate risk. The reason for this are not known, and neither it is known how ATM mutation interact with other genetic or non-genetic risk factors. Further research that explicates with individuals with ATM mutation develop cancer will be crucial to the clinical translations of the now incontrovertible evidence that ATM mutation predisposed to breast cancer. Every new day is a chance to change your life. Research done by Dr. Ray J. Libakin. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to hear further updates. Thank you.